We were only playing.
Yeah, I know, but Mr. Barker's on his way around with his camera, and it would mean a lot to me to have one decent family photo, huh?
What about this one? That looks nice.
What do you think?
Change now.
1, 2, 3. Who turned off the lights? Oh, Roy, sometimes you're just too funny. Well, don't just stand there. Help me! 1 second. Hello? Becky? Anybody? Say cheese. Cheese.
What is... Roy! Oh. Come here. Okay.
Thanks, Mum. Whoa.
Roy, look out! Enough of your monkey business. I want you to be a good boy. You give me a good family photo and I'll make you your favourite dinner.
Sausages?
Mm-hmm. We have a deal?
Deal.
Right, come on, inside. Quick, let's go. Now, careful of your hair, Becky.
Would you not rather to use my Mum's phone instead, Mr. Barker?
I'll have you know, young Roy, this piece of photographic technology is a classic.
It's very dusty.
Come on, Roy. Let's leave Mr. Barker to work his magic.
His camera's magical?
Now, everybody ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sit up straight, sit up straight.
Okay, then. 3, 2...
Freeze!
Okay, just get it all out of your system. Okay, the next time Mr. Barker counts back to 1, we will not giggle and we will not fidget, okay?
But, Mum, we're trying to be good.
Okay, well, try harder. And you, Mr. Funny Bones, quiet as a mouse, okay?
Quiet as a mouse. Okay, be a mouse, Roy.
Ready? 1, 2, 3... You can all relax now.
Bill, what is the matter?
Why are you all staring at me? I'm a mouse! You were right, Dad. Mr. Barker's camera is magical. Cheese! Oh, Mom, look at his little ears. He's adorable.
How did this happen?
I look amazing as a mouse.
No, these look a lot like... Did you see that? Roy, your head is frozen solid. Roy, take cover. The aliens, they zapped you with a freeze ray. I'm sorry I doubted you. There are aliens in Mr. Barker's garden. And they're shooting at us with a freeze ray.
I wonder what Wonder will do.
Who's Thunder Toy?
Oh, I'm sad. I wonder what Wonder Roy would do.
Why are we here at night?
Because someone's stealing the farmer's carrots at night.
The farmer said it was aliens.
Well, it's easy to imagine things in the dark. They're just our shadows in the moonlight. Now you're just imagining things.
Sorry, Wonder Roy. I guess everywhere I look, I see... Ooh, what? What's that?
What are these strange-looking circles? It still doesn't mean aliens! Why does an alien have a candle? Huh?
Why won't you leave our field?
Hello, Dr. Green.
Oh, hello, Finn. Can you hold this microphone? These pumpkins are very heavy.
Dr. Green? I should have known.
Oh, cabbages.
Great job, Finn.
You'll never catch me in the dark. Ah, ah. Oh, oh, oh. I can't see where I'm going. Ah.
Maybe he should eat more carrots. Well, Finn, looks like we found the farmer's aliens. I guess in the dark, it's easy to... Whoa! Imagine things.
Nearly. Okay, there.
No! What was that, Mum?
Roy!
Where are you going, son?
To drive Mr. Barker's train.
Sorry, Roy, you can't go with the hiccups.
But...
No, maybe we can get rid of them. How about you drink a cup of water upside down?
Yes.
How do you do that, Dad?
Easy.
Make them stop, Mum.
Just do what your dad did. Oh, okay, don't worry, Roy. I'm sure there's loads of cures online. Okay, Becky, hear that? Okay, right. Okay. Hurty knees, hairy noses. No, hiccups. There are no certain cures for hiccups.
What?
Oh.
Wait a minute, Mum. Look.
Oh, you're right. Suggestions for cures. Okay, you read them out loud.
Try counting backwards. 10, 9, 6.
A cold thing in your back my mum used to always do it to us.
Did it work?
No.
All right, stand on one leg.
Okay. Say, I'm a fish.
I'm a fish. Walk backwards. Body on the limit.
Oh, yes, sorry. Okay.
It's one. Oh.
No.
Sorry to bother you, but did you feel any vibrations? Oh, the hiccups. I thought it was a localized earthquake.
Sorry, Mr. Barker.
Oh, not to worry. I have just the thing. Barbara always swears by blowing into a paper bag when she gets the hiccups. Well, Barbara isn't always right.
Tristan, can I go? Can I please?
I don't know.
Please?
Go on then.
Yes.
Okay, so you use this.
Yeah, I know. Whoa. This isn't meant to happen. It's like it's part of the game.
Uh-oh. Give me back the game, please, Roy.
Sure. Right after I finish this tricky level.
Reg, would you like a cuppa?
I'll be right out. Don't come in. It's dusty in here.
Quick, catch him!
Never a dull moment.
Catch him! one tough game. Sorry about the fence.
Don't worry, darling. These things happen.
I can fix this later. No bother.
Oh, no, Bill. There's really no need.
No, I insist, Barbara. I mean, this will take me 10 minutes tops.
Not a chance. I love fixing things too. And this job is all mine.
There must be something I can help you with.
Well, I'll take a load of your tape measure if you have it handy.
Tape measure?
So as I know what size to cut the wood to patch it up.
Oh, yeah, of course.
You have one.
No.
Mom confiscated it.
Nice sweater, Barbara.
Thank you, Bill.
Did you, knit it yourself?
Yes, I did.
Hey, where's the game gone?
In my day, we didn't need computers to amuse ourselves.
But there were dinosaurs then, Mr. Barker.
No, what I mean is we made our own fun. Take this mystery of the missing game, for instance.
Yeah?
All you need is a magnifying glass to be a detective. Go solid.
Wow. Thanks, Mr. Barker. What does it do?
You see. Now, I really have to go.
Well, you can't get into trouble with that. Now, I also have to, go somewhere. Have fun.
Right. I better give these a spin in the dryer. See you later. Good luck.
You just act aliens!
It's just a bee.
Wow. This is amazing. Hey, everybody, won't you come on in? I'm little Roy, and this is Finn. We live together.